Greetings. Welcome to C News. I am Snehal, bringing you the latest updates from Christ, deemed to be University, Bangalore Yeshwanthpur campus. First, the headlines. Department of Media Studies hosted talk on the future of Indian platformization by Pranav MB. CAPS organized Engineer to Entrepreneur seminar with Mr. Karthikeyan Selvaraj. Guest lecture by Mr. Sagar Hugar explores AI, platform design, and ethical media practices by the Department of Media Studies. CAPS organized academic writing circle to strengthen scholarly writing and peer review skills. Department of Media Studies organized a pre-media meet hands-on cinematography workshop and guest talk by Miss Juhi Sharma on 19 January 2026. School of Psychological Sciences presents Stories, session with theatre coordinator Rohit, Xavier, Sahaji. Let's look at the news in detail. The Department of Media Studies organized a session on the future of Indian platformization with Pranav MB, author and researcher at the Center for Internet and Society. The session discussed how digital platforms and public infrastructure like India Stack are reshaping India's economy and society. Topics included the gig economy, algorithmic management, and AI driven platforms. Ethical concerns around data sovereignty, privacy, and regulations were highlighted. CAPS organized a seminar titled Engineer to Entrepreneur Journey at the Bangalore Yeshwanthpur campus with Mr. Karthikeyan Selvaraj, founder and CEO of Pro Foodpreneur School and Pre Fruitpreneur Media. The session focused on transitioning from engineering to entrepreneurship. The speaker shared insights on identifying opportunities, building sustainable ventures, and overcoming challenges. The role of innovation and AI in business growth was also discussed. The Department of Media Studies organized a guest lecture with Mr. Sagar Hugar, product manager at Joist AI USA, on AI, platform design, and ethical media practices. The session explained how digital platforms and products are designed, evaluated, and scaled while highlighting AI as a socio technical system with social and ethical implications. By combining industry experiences with academic perspectives, the lecture enriched student understanding of contemporary media technologies. An interactive discussion reflected strong student interest in careers at the intersection of media, technology, and AI. The Academic Writing Circle was a student led initiative under the Center for Academic and Professional Support aimed at improving academic writing and research skills. The program followed weekly writing and peer review cycles that reflected real academic practices. Students engaged in original writing, anonymous peer feedback, and guided discussions. The initiative helped build confidence, critical thinking, and ethical research practices while encouraging long term academic growth. The Department of Media Studies organized a pre media meet hands on cinematography workshop and guest talk with Miss Juhi Sharma, Emmy nominated cinematographer and an independent filmmaker, on 19th January 2026. The session encouraged students to approach cinematography as an emotion centered and embodied practice through practical exercises and film screening. In her talk, Unfiltered Roots How Gender Shapes Vision, Ms. Juhi Sharma discussed gender representation, the female gaze, and the ethical responsibility in filmmaking. The program highlighted cinematography as not just a technical skill but a form of perception and expression. The School of Psychological Sciences hosted Stories, an interactive session with Mr. Rohit Xavier Sahaji, Student Welfare Office Theatre Coordinator. The speaker shared personal life experiences and defining moments that shaped his journey. He spoke about his path and experiences within the Christ community. The session encouraged attentive listening and reflection rather than formal discussion. Let's take a look at the headlines once again. Department of Media Studies hosted talk on the future of Indian platformization by Pranav MB. CAPS organized Engineer to Entrepreneur seminar with Mr. Karthikeyan Selvaraj. Guest lecture by Mr. Sagar Hugar explores AI, platform design, and ethical media practices by the Department of Media Studies. CAPS organized academic writing circle to strengthen scholarly writing and peer review skills. Department of Media Studies organized a pre-media meet hands-on cinematography workshop and guest talk by Miss Juhi Sharma on 19 January 2026. School of Psychological Sciences presents Stories session with theatre coordinator Rohit Xavier Sahaji. We will continue to bring the latest updates and stories from our campus in the upcoming weeks. This is Nehal signing off. Thank you for staying with C News.